Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're into squeezing every last drop of performance and customization out of your Android device, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of LSPosed and rounding up the top 3 modules you should absolutely check out in September 2025. For those who are new, LSPosed is a framework that lets you modify apps and the system itself without touching the original files, opening up a universe of possibilities. It requires a rooted device, typically with Magisk, but the power it gives you is incredible. So let's not waste any more time. We've got modules for your car, for your privacy, and for your daily media consumption. Let's get into it. All right, moving on from customizing your car to taking control of your privacy. The best part? Because it doesn't permanently change any AA data, you can test it without fear. If something goes wrong, you just disable the module. No need to wipe all your Android Auto data and set it up from scratch. Our second module is GPS Setter. In a world where seemingly every app wants to know your location for advertisement purposes, having control is essential. Many GPS spoofing apps exist, but modern apps are getting smarter and can easily detect when you're using a mock location. GPS Setter solves this. As an Xposed module, it operates on a deeper level, feeding a location of your choice to any app that requests it without triggering those pesky mock location detectors. This is perfect for protecting your privacy from data-hungry apps. And finally, we have a module that solves a simple but daily annoyance. This is Disable Audio Focus. You know the situation. You're listening to your favorite podcast or a great music playlist. Then you start scrolling through social media, and a video automatically starts playing. What happens? Your music or podcast immediately stops. Android's audio focus system only allows one app to have control of the audio at a time. And there you have it. 3 powerful LSPosed modules to supercharge your Android experience in September 2025. What are your favorite LSPosed modules right now? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new things to try. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on Android customization and rooting. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.